Thank you for tuning in to this edition of the Vulcan Report. Right now we're looking at the Australian dollar. We want to focus on the Forex currencies for for Wednesday, Tuesday I should say, of July the 6th, which is what we are now. Getting right into the technicals, there's a lot to talk about, so let's just jump right into it. Starting with the Australian dollar, as of Friday's close, we had a black body that occurred because prices closed lower than they opened. And during the past 10 bars, there have been 3 white up candles and 7 black down candles for a net of 4 black down candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 21 white up candles and 27 black down candles for a net of 6 black down candles. In addition to that, a long upper shadow occurred. This is typically a bearish signal, particularly when it occurs near a high price level, at a resistance level, or when the security is overbought. A spinning top occurred also, and that's where a candle with a small real body and a spinning top identifies a session in which there is little price action, as defined by the difference between the open and the close. And during a rally or near new highs, a spinning top can be a sign that prices are losing momentum and that the bulls may be in trouble. Well, as you can see here, we've been in a nice downward channel right here. So moving on to the swing index here, we have a negative 15.11 pulse scan and a negative 8.10 swing VIX. The market pulse is negative since it's trading below its zero signal line, and the pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of 8 periods ago. The swing VIX is not currently in a topping above 39 or a bottoming below negative 39 range. A buy or sell signal is generated when the swing VIX moves out of an overbought or oversold area. The last signal was an overbought sell 6 periods ago. The swing VIX has just reached its lowest value in the last 14 periods. This is bearish. The swing VIX has set a new 14-period low, while the security price has not. This is a bearish divergence. So we'll wait for the security price to catch up to the swing VIX, which means we have a lot more potential downside on this one. Since the last swing VIX signal, the Australian dollar price has decreased 3.32%. It has ranged from a high of 88.29 to a low of 83.16. Alright, as for market trend, currently the trend is slightly bearish. Trend strength is a bearish consolidation, meaning that the long-term trend line support is currently at 80.66. Now the close is currently below its long-term, intermediate, and short-term moving averages. As for volatility, the Australian dollar closed above the lower volatility band by 32.7%. This, combined with the steep uptrend, suggests that the upward trend in price has a good chance of continuing. However, a short-term pullback inside the bands is likely. So as you can see how we hit a low support here and rallied up. We pulled back about 50% of that, so there's a strong chance that we could continue to consolidate further off the support low here up into this Kumo cloud. So that's what that means. Alright, taking a look at our Pandora's little black box for long and short entry points. We have no long entry points to speak of, but we do have a possible intraday breakdown short entry at 83.96. Profit target is 81.24, and the stop loss is at 84.65. Intraday price projections: resistance is at 84.84 and support at 84.26. Moving right along. Okay, moving right along to the euro now. Alright, a white body occurred on Friday because prices closed higher than they opened. During the past 10 bars, there have been 6 white up candles and 4 black down candles for a net of 2 white up candles. During the past 50 bars, there have been 22 white up candles and 26 black down candles for a net of 4 black down candles. 3 white candles occurred in the last 3 days. Although these candles were not big enough to create 3 white soldiers, the steady upward pattern is bullish. The swing index post-scan reading is a positive 17.29. The swing VIX is at 17.43. The market pulse is positive since it's trading above its zero signal line. The post-scan crossed below the swing VIX, creating a downtrend channel as of Friday. This means that negative momentum has entered the market, so we expect sideways to lower prices within the next 3 to 5 days.